Oh, hello. Welcome to another semester of filmmaking. We are going to explore that magical line between the moving image and your brain. It's in that mental universe where story unfolds. And those stories are the cultural mythology of the world today. It's a way for all cultures to see unto others and get a small glimpse of how other people live. Being able to read and write in media is the literacy of the 21st century. Even most grad schools in any subject require a multimedia presentation as a final. So therefore, what you're learning in this class as a filmmaker can be applied to many, many different places. I myself have explored all aspects of filmmaking, from directing and editing to music and sound design. So feel free to ask me anything about any aspect of cinema. The instructor's office is a great place to post off-subject questions. All cinematic images are contained within a frame. And just like human vision is contained within the frame of the eye sockets, the cinematic image is contained within the frame of the screen, or the monitor, or the iPod. The frame is a common measurement for that which cannot be measured. Think about an extreme close-up of an eyeball and then a wide shot of the Milky Way galaxy, both contained within the same frame. But also, what lies outside the frame can be very important for the meaning of what's inside the frame. Think about the Eastern European mountain climbers, who in the 1930s were the first to reach the summit of a regional mountain. They returned back with a photo of themselves on the peak, and they became local heroes, did a series of talk shows and lectures and book deals. Well, later in the 80s, when both of them had died, the original negative was found, and what they noticed was the photo that they brought to the world had been cropped. In the original negative, the actual peak of the mountain lay just outside the distance behind them. So as a practice, as you're waiting for the bus or waiting for a web page to load, look around. Look around and figure out how you might frame your reality. A camera and a notebook, having that with you will help preserve some of those ideas, and they often end up in later projects. Also, take a moment to look around at your own parameters of vision and try to trace with your eye the outline of your eye socket. So within this frame, we're going to make two movies this semester, one documentary and one narrative. They both, in a way, follow the narrative arc, but the process is very different. Oftentimes, the narrative is created beforehand, every little aspect of it, and then shot. Whereas a lot of times in a documentary, the documentarian shoots a lot of footage and then figures out the story in the editing room. So we'll have a chance to explore both processes. Have a great semester.